So when we're playing, we want to make sure that our bodies are relaxed as possible. And part of what can help with that is stretching. And we do this partly to loosen up our muscles and partly just to be aware of the different muscles we're using so that as we're playing, we might feel when they start to tense up and be able to relax those rather than getting more and more and more tense as we go. So let's start by stretching out our wrists a little bit. And you can use the snare drum to do this. So we can actually just really gently lay our fingers on the snare drum. And if you don't have one in front of you, you could use just your legs, anything like that. And you're just going to really gently lean forward until you feel a little bit of pull right here. Never ever want any of these things to hurt. We just want to feel a really gentle pulling. And then you can lean forward, lean one direction, lean the other direction, and back. Let's try that one more time. So we'll go forward, we'll lean this way, we'll lean this way, and back. And then we want to do kind of the opposite of that. So we'll take one hand and gently pull our fingers back. Again, just really nice and gentle. Just for a few seconds. Shake that out. Then we'll do the other side. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. All right, now let's do some little shoulder rolls. We'll go backwards. Again, nice and gentle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll go forward for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, now we're just gonna bring our ear to our shoulder really gently. It doesn't have to go all the way down. Just gonna hold it there for a couple seconds. And then go the other way and hold for a couple seconds too. Now if you find if any of these things as you're going, you're like, oh, it's really stiff and sore, these might be something that you want to incorporate into the beginning and maybe the ending of your playing too, just to give your body a little bit of a reset. We can be really tough on our bodies, so we want to take a minute to relax whenever we're playing so we can play our very best.